This woman has been receiving this kind of work for 7 years from various practitioners. As a result, she has a very coordinated and responsive body, so you can clearly see how she responds to my attention. Here we are about 5 minutes into the session, and I'm contacting her blind spots. You can notice how she already feels that I am moving towards the left neck before I actually place my hand there. After I touch the area, she is processing the information in her body through a stretch. I place the matching contact on the other side, and this helps her navigate the space more accurately. She is spontaneously moving her neck, trying to connect to each spot with her feeling through the body. I'm using my hands and awareness to help her have better connection to that area. Notice that she also has an undulating movement in her spine up and down. This is called the spinal wave. And if you look closely, you can see that the spinal wave is a little flat when it gets into the area behind the heart and the top of the chest. Her body continues to try to connect the top of the spine and the bottom of the spine with this wave, even lifting the pelvis to find the neck through the stretch. She is allowing many different spontaneous movements to help her find her own blind spots in the body. About 10 minutes later, you can see the spinal wave has found more coordination in the upper back and even into the neck. She is still using shoulder movements and stretches to try to find better connection. She is still aware, conscious of her movements, as you can see when she adjusts her pants and shirt. Here, I'm using my attention to help her better connect the pelvis and neck area. As you can see, her body uses this reflection to further refine her movements. However, her pelvis and neck still seem to be moving independently instead of in coordination. I decided to end the session here at about 20 minutes, since she has shown that her body has learned something new through greater coordination in the spinal wave and the upper back.
That was really good. Yeah. Thank you. Wow, I feel a lot of release. Yeah. Yeah. Even like I felt some bumps at the beginning, like 3 times. That's so good. Thank you. Very powerful. Yeah.
So I invite you to take a moment and notice, how do you feel after watching that video? Did it create any sensations in your body? Any spontaneous breathing? Any movements? It's very normal for people to experience spontaneous movements, sounds, or breaths during their InnerFlow sessions, and sometimes even watching one. However, it's not an expectation to have these movements, and sometimes the movement is not physically visible, but still felt. Both situations can generate greater safety and coordination across the body, mind, and emotions. If you're interested in learning more about InnerFlow, I invite you to connect with me soon. With open heart, take care.